Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing essential assets and creating the first motion. Choose whether you use a 2D sprite, a 3D rig, or a skeleton-based AI model, because that choice drives your pipeline. Once chosen, import 1.5 reference sway clips at 2430 fps and mark key poses. Next, set initial sway parameters, amplitude, tempo in BPM, and axis tilt. Then run a short synthesis pass so you can see a raw result immediately and iterate from there. You now refine timing and motion. Use motion retargeting or conditioning so the AI maps reference sway to your character correctly because body proportions differ. Once done, smooth joint data with a low-pass filter or spline interpolation at 0. 5.2. 0 strength to remove jitter. Then make sure to tweak tempo, phase offsets between limbs, and secondary motion gain for natural follow-through. Small offsets create believable sway. Finally, preview loops and adjust until the weight shifts and rhythm look intentional and musical. You finish by baking and exporting the animation in your chosen format, such as FBX, GLB, or a rendered video at target FPS. Make sure to optimize. Reduce redundant keyframes, compress curves while keeping roughly 60% visual quality, and validate loop continuity. If things go wrong, check 3 common issues: root offsets that shift the character, joint limits causing pops, or incorrect retarget maps, and correct them before rebaking. Once resolved, re-export and test in the final environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.